She fucking me and Nikki kick that hole right through the jaw.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Anale Key with a first unboxing, actually second unboxing video. So what I got, guys, yeah, I did. I unboxed it, but came to my house. JBL speaker I got. You feel me? And I like this one. I like it. Take out the special, boy. Very special. All-purpose weather comparison. Ooh, okay. So it could go on water. Ain't no weather. This is the JBL Hardman Flip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. External Bluetooth portable. I'm saying it right. Okay. Bluetooth, it could be 12 hours of Bluetooth, see up there. Some other got microphone, Bluetooth, you know, get some good people. But let's take it out the box. Let's take it out the box, okay, guys? Let's take it out the box. It's very old, the laptop, so I don't really need it no more. I gotta get ready. Ooh, look at this. Oh my god. Y'all not ready for this. You see that? You see that? Oh my god. Flip 4. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my. Oh my. You see, got that? Oh, bro, look at that. Look at it. You see that? I don't think you do, but you see that though. Oh, you see this? Let's see. But hey, I like this though. I purchased this one because I'm gonna use my parents, and I just want to get my own so I can take it wherever I want. You know, to can use a speaker, da. Other than that, I got my own Bluetooth speaker. I can take wherever I want to. I'm liking this though. Oh, got a little clip. Oh, yeah. And you got a little, see, you got the little charger piece right there. I don't know if you see it, but headphones right there, I guess. I'm sorry, I just real good, so this never happened. What else come here? What else? Nope. I guess I gotta push it out. That's what it is. It's like, I like this one because I like the color. It's like it's so bumpy. It's I like it though. It's more better for me to do it. I get the charger with it, like just the, I guess, instruction on them. You take out the bag. What the? There we go. Yeah, that's the instruction. Google Play. No, I mean that, man. But yeah, that's all the instruction. You feel me? Bye. Now I get to the charger. So I like this. You see it? I don't think y'all can see it, but I like how they got the designs. This one look like IG right here. If you understand what I'm talking about, hit me on my IG. You feel me? But let's see. Let's see at the charger. Oh, they gave me an orange one, bruh. I never seen an orange charger like this for a JBL Flip speaker. I like it though. Sealed up everything. But here's support to my speaker. But like I like it's like it's so smooth. Like I like this. I really do like this speaker now. 12 hours of playtime, 12 Spanish. IPX7 Waterproof. Okay, JBL's connections, speakerphone. Okay, kit kind of main libraries. Okay. Okay, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like it. I don't know. I'm going my Bluetooth. You know. Then it said I got powered on. Ooh. Ooh. So, ooh. Oh. It's on like you don't know it's on 2 bars when you're about to die. So you see JBL flip 4, you know, I'm not collecting that, you know. Ooh. Let me see how it sounds some music. Sorry man, I gotta take my pills and stuff. Can't be gaze.
This Friday. Where's my daughter?
I need to get Katie.
I got my ass.
I like how this sounds.
Big Jace right here talking. Watch your mouth, no dissing me. You know we all saw it. You say I'm fake, that's your opinion, that's just y'all story. Just face the back, I was y'all blessing, but y'all ignored it. Your quest for fame had you distorted, not accepting sorry. I'm ready to hit the streets about the people vouch, the jail about all the niggas.
Ooh, okay, I gotta take this outside, but you know it's on a little bit of the volume's low down, so I'm taking this outside, but you know I like the speaker. But if y'all hit that subscribe button and hit that click that notifications so you know every time I upload video, and you know I upload videos, you know, you feel me? I'm gonna start doing more vlogs videos onto my channel, so we'll see how that feels, everything, you feel me?